So Satan is like that. He can pass through your finances. He can pass through your marriage. He can pass through the life of your children. He can pass through your spiritual life. He can pass through your destiny. He can pass through a church. He can pass through a ministry. He can pass through the life of a man of God. You know it is him because something must be stolen. Something must seem to die. Something must seem to be destroyed. Someone shout no way. Shout it again. Say no way. Because for some of you, before now, you've not seen the necessity for the anointing, and Satan keeps camping you around that mindset and say, are you an apostle? No. Are you a prophet? No. Are you not just a businessman? Don't mind them. He's cheating you. Let me just advise you right now, especially because of these end times. The condition for being anointed is that you are alive. The moment you are alive,